Hello everybody, we have another unboxing. This, if you've read in the description, is an accessory. Cotty, she sees a box and she has to be on it or in it. So everybody give a like for Cotty. She needs likes. She really likes the likes. So give Cotty a like. She's a hard supervisor. She knows I have in my hand, I got cookies. Uh-oh. She's gonna get the cookies. And she knows she's gonna have to get out the box. There's some cookies for Cotty. I'm gonna have to do a live stream and fatten her up. Every time somebody gives a like, I give her a cookie. She'd probably starve to death. Is that a spider? That's a spider. Okay. Cotty. There, you dropped one. Let's get this, we gotta get this open. Yes, we do. Let's check it out. You ready? Are you ready? There, you can go like that. Here, let's put you over here first. Okay, so this is the way it arrived. 2315.50. Let's see what's inside this thing. Kind of lightly packed. But we're gonna cut this open. I got the big knife for this one today. No need for precision. Oh, more sealed air. Boom. Oh, these weren't for this. Must have been for something else. Ooh, we have a power cord. We have an eBay box. Paperwork. You all see that? Ugh. Oh, that's kind of interesting packing. What is this? Oh, that's kind of cool. JBL? Didn't order that. Garbage. Chewy. Chewy. Pets. A pet item. Cotty gets cookies. Anytime somebody packs pet items. What's in a box? Yes, Cotty likes her cookies. What's in a box? What's in there? Okay. And yeah, that's kind of an interesting packing job. I don't mind recycled stuff, but what is this? Patient belongings. Should we call this a biohazard? So somebody's been to the hospital. I hope this wasn't the seller. I hope the seller's okay. It's pink. Usually I don't get medical supplies. Well, funniest one was the knife. Well, that's everything that was in that box. It's empty now. Let's get to the meat and potatoes. Cotty cookies? Where you going? I have the cookies right here. I have the cookies right here. Okay. Got more cookies. All right. So as requested, more Cotty, but I can't control when she's out here, so people want more Cotty. More Cotty you get. Okay. So I made an offer and the person accepted, so, and I wanted it for the BPM Microsystems 3800 MK2 because I really want that feature. So, and I'm not paying $11,000, $12,000, $20,000 for that feature. Oh. I know my unboxings take forever. Okay. This is a tape out controller. Ooh, pictures look better. So this is a tape out controller. Uh-oh. Hear that? We got Rattle. Rattle's not good. But yeah, tape out controller. This is a VTech TM-50. I hope nothing's broken in it. It's heavy though. Ooh. Okay, so basically IO in, that's where the BPM connects to, and then all the accessories. So let's open this up and see what's rattling. Wait, no, it's not rattling. Oop, there it is. Yeah, something's rattling. Hear it? That shouldn't rattle. So I guess we're gonna do a quick little unboxing, or a quick little teardown. Gotta adjust this. See what's rattling. Gotta see what's rattling. Wasn't expecting to do a inspection or teardown on this thing, but I guess we're gonna do it. Cotty, want cookie? It don't look that difficult. It only looks like 3 screws each side, maybe. My snap off. I wish they would. I wish Snap-on would bring back this screwdriver. That's my favorite screwdriver. That series. The new ones I really don't care for. So yeah, the tape systems are pretty basic, except for the controller. It's just basically 2 heating elements and 2 sensors and I think a stepper, closed loop stepper. Get Cotty in frame here. Cotty's in frame. You gonna help? What? Cotty, she's just... Okay. She wants pet. She wants attention. Yeah. This cat begs for attention. She knows that I got cookies. Let's see what's rattling. Then we'll plug it in with it open. If we can. I don't know, it's got buttons on the side. I don't know how those are attached, so. She wants cookies. We'll give her cookies. Yes, she gets cookies. Cotty gets cookies. Here's cookies. We're already 10 minutes in. Oh, I know. Oh. Let's hope it's nothing major. Okay, we're in like, yeah, we're in. Let's see, that's what it looks like inside. Okay, we can disconnect that right there. Made in the USA, I guess. Okay, so those are the Tape Advance manual cut. This is the safety mat reset and verifier reset. No, I think it was just this flopping around in there. But we're gonna get a look inside. That's what's in there. You got power board, power supply. Ah, that is floating. What's that come off of? It looks like a DIN rail mount. It's a DIN rail mount. I think it's for the power supply. Might be a stop for the power supply. Right there, yep. Okay, so it goes, I think it's a stop down here for the power supply. So that's what was floating around. Okay, let's show you on the other side. Maybe we can see in here. That's the display board. Whatever static is. It's got a PLCC chip. I might have that PLCC adapter. I might have to attempt to read it. Looks like it's came loose. I always inspect things anyways, so best do it while we're doing the unboxing, right? So if you guys ever wanted to see inside of one of these, now you do. And I hope I wasn't blurry the whole time. There's not much to them in here. So, well, that's it. That is a VTech TM-50. Let's plug this thing in. See if it powers up. I don't think we need the Tape Advance buttons. Let me zoom back out here. Grab a power cord. Plug it into the filter. See if it powers. And it powers up. I'll have to read the manual on this. Run these settings, stores job. So it'd be pitch, advance 1, count, speed. I think the BPM Microsystems, the automated programming system, programs this via the serial port to whatever you put in the machine. So I'm not sure how the remote operation works on this. So, did you want something? Okay. Well, I appreciate y'all watching. For Cotty here, she wants a handshake. Okay. She wants cookies. Every like, she gets a cookie. So if you want her to starve, don't like. But if you want her to get fat and plump, like. Because Cotty needs cookies. So, okay, that's it. Catch y'all later. Blog post in the description on this. Gotta go.